I'm so used to this. Like, I eat mean tweets and mean comments for breakfast every day. Oh my, I thought she's good at singing. Sorry for my words, but as a music enthusiast, her voice may be the most annoying thing I've ever heard. Girl, don't be sorry. I'm even annoyed with my voice. But I don't really sing. Ngayon mo lang ba nalaman? I scream. Listen to metal music, girl. Nagkakainis yung baby tsaka ni Arci Munoz. Why is she doing that? I'm sorry. Ganun talaga eh. Lumalabas siya. It's my other persona. Sometimes she just comes out. Like especially, I love myself when I drink vodka or tequila or rum. It comes out naturally. It's there. Especially when I'm with Papa P. I really find Arci Munoz super OA. I hate her acting and her voice. So pabebe. Paulit-ulit. Okay na. Okay na nga. Don't watch na lang. Closer TV. If you don't wanna see my acting and my pabebe voice. Because it's there. She comes out nga. I hate Arci Munoz. Sakit sa tenga ng boses. Pinapatay ko na lang ang TV. I guess that's the right thing to do. You conserve pa Meralco bill. Nakakaumay na si Arci Munoz. No worry. Ako rin eh. Naumay na rin ako sa kanya. Papalit na akong pangalan. Lipat na ako sa ibang mundo. Lipat na ako sa ibang planet. Arci Munoz needs acting lessons. Please watch Bea Alonzo and learn. Sundin ko yung advice mo. Tawagan ko si Bea. Pair ang cellphone. Tawagan ko si Bea. I really need acting lessons from Bea. I'm a newbie. You're just jealous of you, girl. So it's what I'm gonna tell myself. Like, Mona, keep on going. Keep on doing what you're doing. Sorry for my annoying voice.